Elevating numbers. Understanding ordinal numbers 11th to 20th. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of English numbers. Ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. Now, you might wonder, what makes these numbers so special? Don't worry, we'll answer this question and more by distinguishing them from their cardinal counterparts. Buckle up and get ready for an interesting numerical journey. Let's start with cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers answer the question, how many? They express quantity. For instance, if you have 1 apple, 2 oranges, or 10 cherries, you're using cardinal numbers 1, 2, and 10. They represent a count and are the most common numbers we use in everyday life. Moving on to ordinal numbers, these are a little different. Instead of expressing quantity, they denote position or order. They answer the question, in what order? So, if you're in a race, you wouldn't be in 1 place, but in 1st place. If you're ordering the books on your shelf, the second book isn't 2, but 2nd. For numbers from 11th to 20th, we'd use 11th, 12th, 13th, up to 20th. The main difference between cardinal and ordinal numbers is their use. Cardinal numbers tell us how many, and ordinal numbers tell us which one, or in what order. You can easily distinguish them by their endings as well. Cardinal numbers do not have any special ending, while ordinal numbers typically end in th, street, nd, or road, as in 4th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Now, let's focus on the ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. Just remember to add th at the end, except for the number 12, which becomes 12th. So after 10th, we have 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. Practice these and soon, you'll be using them with ease. That's it for today, folks. We hope this video cleared up the difference between cardinal and ordinal numbers, specifically focusing on the ordinal numbers 11th to 20th. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to incorporate these ordinal numbers in your daily conversation. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonderful world of English.